this video, I will talk about how to clean perch in different ways. What are the advantages of one method over another, and how to do it faster and cleaner. For this, I have everything. A bunch of perch that were caught while fishing, of a good size, and they need to be cleaned. So, let's get started. I have the basic tools for cleaning perch. The first tool is a grater of Soviet production, the most ordinary one. The second is a stick with a beer bottle cap nailed to it, a very common device among fishermen. A regular fork, a large one, scissors, a special fish scaler, even a drill with a bit. We will try using it as well. So we have all the tools. Now we need to determine which tool will clean the perch better and faster. The ones caught this morning, still fresh and slimy. First, they need to be washed. Perch should be washed with cold water to remove the natural slime that is present on all fish. It will interfere with securing the fish and will hinder the removal of scales. For washing the perch, I use a regular small brush with stiff bristles, which allows for effectively removing all the slime. It's better to wash the fish in the direction of the scales. This way it slips less and cleans better. The fish is washed and ready for cleaning. I will start with a regular knife that every homemaker has. Let's try cleaning with it. I will clean the fish in water. For this, I fill the sink with about 5 centimeters of water and start cleaning in it. This way the scales don't fly around and don't mess up the entire kitchen. To avoid injuring your hands, it's essential to first remove all the fish's fins, as they are very sharp and dangerous for your hands. Take sharp scissors and start with the top fin. To do this, slightly lift it, and starting from the back, cut off the sharp spines. The rear fin is not spiny, so it doesn't cause any harm. The same goes for the side fins. Start cleaning from the tail to the head. The scales are very difficult to remove with a knife, and you have to exert a lot of effort to... It came off. There is little left, therefore the knife is not very suitable in this case. The next tool is a standard fish scaler, store-bought. Let's try it. It grabs the scales better. I use the sharp, serrated edges. You can use this central part. In this way, the scales will scatter less even without water. It's easier to clean diagonally. Then the scales come off better. One part of the perch is cleaned. As you can see, the standard scaler cleans well. We will continue to try. The next tool, though, is a stick attached with a regular self-tapping screw. The stick should be free of burrs to avoid driving them into your hand. Let's try cleaning with this tool for fishermen. I want to say that a regular stick with a cap cleans much better than the standard scaler. You can attach another cap, and then the width of the grip will be much larger and more convenient. But that's in case you have a big fish. and we will try the next device, a vegetable grater. Here, it's necessary to use holes with a diameter of 5 millimeters, because if they are smaller, they will quickly get clogged and there will be no effect. Here you need to protect your fingers and use a glove to avoid injury. Well, the scales are removed worse, and you can see that they only come off in strips. And a completely unusual method is using a drill and a bit. A sharp drill bit is used with a diameter of up to 5 millimeters. The smaller it is, the less the scales will splash off. You need to pry it from the tail to the head. The cleaning turns out to be very high quality and neat. And if this method is perfected by establishing a fixed base, then it has its place. Well, now let's try the method where the fish is dipped in boiling water. This should improve its properties. The main thing is not to overdo it so that the skin doesn't come off. I know that the ideal time is 5 seconds. So we dip it. Let's try. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We take it out and immediately dip it well into cold water. Let's try cleaning it. The scales fall off immediately. The only downside is that in some places the skin peels off and the perch doesn't look very nice, although in other places the skin is still firm. Here on the back it has already started to peel off. So we need to reduce the time, and instead of 6 seconds, hold it for about 4 to 5 seconds. But this needs to be experimented with individually, depending on the temperature of the fish and the water you are dipping it into, as well as the size of the fish. This is how the cleaned fish looks. You can see that almost no scales are left. Out of all the various tools for cleaning perch, as you can see, the winner is a bottle cap with a handle from a beer bottle. The only requirement is that the cap should be fresh and sharp. Only by using it, the fish will be cleaned in the shortest time.